Okay, in today's video we will be changing out the OEM license plate light bulbs for LEDs in Honda Accord. Basically any generation, modern generation. Honda doesn't really change much. Here's what the OEM bulbs look like, a tannish glow. I like the LEDs because they're a little bit more modern, and so that's what we're going to be doing today. So what we're going to do first is take these little clips out for the trunk lid liner, and there's 10 of them all the way around, and you get your trusty clip puller here. I got mine at Walmart for $5, and what you're going to want to do is come in here and get right in under. There's a little flap, and then just pull out, and it sits very nicely just like that, and you're going to want to do it for all 10 of them. Okay, we got the trunk liner out, and this is what it looks like from the top where you don't usually see it. And then this is what the trunk lid itself looks like. Not very well painted as they used to be on older generations, but it is what it is. And here's the thing right here for anybody who is trying to look for a little bit of weight reduction. I already took mine out, but it's called the center of gravity weight. And what it does is it helps the trunk lid be heavier to close. And ever since I took mine out, there isn't much of a difference, but it's just a hunk of metal, 1 to 2 pounds. That's something for any guys that are looking to do a little bit of weight reduction. So then we have our connectors right there, left and right. And then what we're just going to do is there's a tab on the back, and you're going to just press it in and pull down. You can see that right there. And we will do the other one. A little bit tricky. And then what we're going to do is there's a tab to this side right here, and you're going to reach your hand up in, and you're just going to press in on that tab, and that is going to effectively make that loose, and then you just wiggle it out however you can. Okay, we did get it out, and this is what it looks like, the back here, and there's your bulb sitting right in there. Here are the 2 teeth that I was talking about. And as you can see, there's little squeeze tabs here. And all you're going to want to do is you have to get a pretty firm grip. And there you go, it separates. And then here's your bulb, and then you just sort of wiggle it out. They can be in there pretty good. And there you are. Okay, what I typically do is I buy my LED bulbs off of eBay. And you can get them from China you can get 10 for like a few dollars. It's a really good deal. And just open them up here. It's a nice little flap on it. Cushioning. And here they are. They have 8 LEDs on them. And they are very bright. And I have used these on many cars. And so what you do is you do have to make sure that it is in a certain way. We're going to have to plug it in, and because it only lights one way in the socket, so that's what we're going to have to test now. There is a difference between the 2 bulbs, a little versus there. The white does appear to show a little bit farther down than the old bulb, and I do find that there is a difference. I'm going to show you guys an after and final product this evening when it gets dark, so stay tuned. Okay, and there's the final product right there. I think it put a nice modern look to the license plate, and as you can see, it's pretty bright. It even shines down on the ground. There is a brightness difference, and hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to look at my channel, I have some videos on other Accords and other cars and just informational things, so go check that out, and thanks for tuning in.